Hi everybody, so today I thought I would show you how to use a jigger and a pourer and at the same time make a gin and tonic. This is a jigger. There are a few different types of jiggers that you can use. This is a step jigger that will do anything from 15 mils to 75 mils, or a tablespoon up to 5 tablespoons, or ounces if we're talking in America for our American friends. Same thing, 30 mils or 1 ounce or 15. They all work really well. I might use this one because this is sort of the most generic one that you'll get to use, especially when you are learning bartending. This is a triangular shape from Uber Bar Tools. You can get a round one. It's pretty much the same on how to use. So I'm going to show you, this here is a pourer. Okay, so I always have the pourer so that the spout is always facing to the right whilst looking at the bottle. That's because I'm right-handed, and it's really easy to use. So with the jigger, what I like to do is I always fill it up exactly to the top. You don't want to shortchange your friends or your customers. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do that. So holding the bottle, this is Whitley Neal gin. It's probably not the best bottle for learning on because it doesn't have a big neck. However, it's a great gin. I'm going to drink this after I make the video. So I always have my jigger close to the glass. The reason that I do that is a lot of times when you are making drinks for the first time, especially in front of customers or friends, you might get a little bit nervous. Sometimes you get the shakes and so forth. So having it closer to the glass is easier for less spillage. And here we go. So I'm going to pour 30 mils or 1 ounce. Okay, and really just doing that. So you don't really have to do anything but use your wrist. Okay, so pouring, having it over. If you find that you're using a jigger sometimes in front of somebody and you do get to have those shakes, which is pretty common, a little tip that you can use is actually just sit it on top of the glass to steady it and pour in. The key to it is try to pour it as quickly as you can. You don't want to do it slowly so that the gin starts running down and dripping. Okay, how easy is that? Next thing I do for a gin and tonic is I like my lime to be squeezed. One of my pet hates is when I order a gin and tonic and you just get a nice lime or lemon wedge, but it's just sort of dumped in there. I've then got to put my fingers in and squeeze it myself, okay? Hand hygiene, especially now during coronavirus, COVID-19 time, is super, super important. So make sure that you're constantly washing your hands and using hand sanitizer. So it's really just squeeze and dump, and then you add your tonic water. Okay, I'm going to use the Fever Tree Aromatic Tonic today. Top it up. I don't like too much tonic in there. Plenty of ice is good as well. And then I like to give it just a really quick stir and send it out to the customer, hopefully without a straw. Okay, so that's how to use a jigger, a pourer, and a quick way to make a gin and tonic. Please like, subscribe. We have plenty more videos, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.